Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You sign in with the Google account linked to the channel, then go straight to your channel. Once there, click Customize to open YouTube Studio customization. You want basic info visible. That's where creators put a business email or contact form link. If you control the channel, add or edit the business email field now so it becomes discoverable on the About tab. Make sure channel verification and account type are set correctly so contact details can be shown. You now inspect the About tab thoroughly. Many creators place a business email there and require a CAPTCHA to reveal it. Once done, follow any listed website or social links, which often host a contact page. If necessary, use Whois on the domain to find an administrative email. Also verify whether the channel is a brand account. If so, open the brand account's people and permissions to see manager emails you can contact. Make sure to note any public contact methods for outreach. You prepare your outreach. Copy the displayed email exactly, use the channel's contact form, or message via linked social accounts. If no address appears, try the linked website's contact page or a Whois lookup for registration contacts. Once you send a concise, clear message, wait for a response and follow up after a reasonable interval. If you hit a wall, verify you own or manage the channel before requesting creator support. That prevents delays and helps resolve hidden contact issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.